Morning everyone. Today we are going to start our next chapter, chapter number 4. The name of this chapter is Kind of Material. Around yourself you see a variety of things. These things are made up of different materials. They have different shape, they have different size, they have different color, right? Let us suppose you wake up early in the morning and you go into the washroom to brush your teeth or to take your bath. When you pick up the brush, now can you tell me from which material the brush is made up of? Yes, the brush is made up of plastic, right? Then after taking your bath, you go into your kitchen to take the breakfast. You take out the dish plate from the utensils. Now, can you tell me from which material the dish plate is made up of? Yes, of course, it is made up of steel, which is a metal, which is a alloy, right? You see, here you see a different kind of material. I have like bottle, I have paper roll, a toy, I have this little box, a bangle. You can see easily, right? Now if I ask you that you need to group it according to its shape, so how will you group it? You keep this and this here, right? As all three are cylindrical, and you keep it here like this, as this is a circular in shape, so you group it like this or in a similar way, right? Now if I ask you, then you have to again group it according to the material which are they made up of. Now what will you do? You just keep all the metal material here. This is the paper roll, and this is this is a wooden something. So this paper roll is also derived from wood, so it also come in the category of wood. And this one is plastic, right? This one is plastic, so you easily group it according to its material. Now if I ask you, what do you call grouping? Or I mean to say that if you group some material, thing according to some basis of criteria, this grouping is known as classification. When the things grouped according to the basis of some criteria is known as classification, right? Now I have show you some material. Can you tell me, are all objects made up of same material? No, not at all, right? Different objects are made up of different material, from different material, right? If you take the example of sharpener, it is made up of plastic. If you take an example of pencil, it is made up of wood or maybe paper. So objects are made up of different material. Many objects are made up of same material means, like, it's a condition that mostly objects are made up of different material, or it can be made up of same material. Like if you take the example of utensils, all utensils in your kitchen are not same. Some are made up of steel, some are made up of aluminium, which are metal, which are come in the category of metal. If you talk about the handle of the utensils, they are made up of wood, plastic. So what I am trying to say that many objects, maybe they are made up of same material or maybe it differ. So I have an activity for you. Here is the activity. What you need to do is that you have to make a table according to that, in a similar way in your notebook, and you have to write the different material like plastic, metals, fibers and wood. Now you have to write the name of the items which are made up of plastic, metals, fibers and wood, as I have written here. Like in plastic, pen, toys, polythene bags are made up of plastic. Metals, pan, cooker are made up of metal. Here fibers, jeans, shirt, you can also write shirt, apron, they are made up of fibers. And here pencil, rolling pin, they are made up of wood. Thank you.